Hello friends, let's see what we got in the mail today. This is a product I've been wanting to try for a while. Must have a knife here somewhere. There's one. Let's see, from Gluboost. This comes from New Jersey. Rivervale, New Jersey. How's everybody doing today? Let's see what we got here. Ooh, lots of nice packaging. We got something in here. Ooh, Mark and Max system. Let's see. Fill and finish. There's a fill and finish thin. Master glue thin. Master glue ultra thin. More. Mixing palettes. And Master Tint. This is the Vintage Color Collection. This one's a black and white collection. And this one would be Modern Color Connection. Then we have the Accelerator. And of course, a bunch of paperwork. Wow. Very cool. And a bunch of instructions here. I guess there's a couple stickers. Yes, 6 stickers. But there we go, guys. That's for today in the mail. Let's get this all laid out here so you can actually see it. Non-stick mixing palettes. It's a marker system, I guess. Tape off the area you're working in. Very cool. And these, let's see what we got in here. Let's just see. Black tint. There's black tint. White tint. And black tint. And there's these some applicators. There you go, friends. I hope that was exciting for you. It sure was exciting for me. And honestly, I can't wait to get to using it. I'll make sure when I start using these stuff that we see some videos that'll complement it, okay? That'll help with the understanding. So, you all have a great day. This was just a short postage call. Should have checked it and see how it was coming through, huh? There you go. Ciao, peeps.